Today is a Bhoirymbong market day. Few days ago I was asking from people where I should go next. Many messages came. Thank you for all the messages what you sent it. But the winner was Bhoirymbong market. Panuaki, come to Bhoirymbong market. Let's go. Friday market to Bhoirymbong. I just took the taxi. Now we are trying to take another taxi, or then we are just trying to take a lift to Shillong. And here it is. Yo Mau Long Market. One of my first vlogs I did here. I was sharing the ice cream to the locals. Oh, somebody's calling us. Hello.
Hello. How are you?
Kumno. Piang. Shano palay. Hane. Oh. Okay. Bhoirymbong market.
Bhoirymbong?
Bhoirymbong market. Friday market.
Friday market.
Oh, let's check it out. Any car is coming. Let's just try to take it. Let's see. Oh, that was very quickly. Oh, ba, you go Shillong?
No.
Where you go?
They're only Muslim.
Umsning?
Yeah.
Can I come Umsning? Can I come?
Yeah, come.
Yes. Because I go Umyam Lake.
Myang Lake?
Today is Bhoirymbong.
Where?
Bhoirymbong market.
Bhoirymbong? Yeah.
Kila ada pamnya?
Ada.
Ada.
Ya.
Tuh.
Tidak ada? No.
M. Nang pa apa Bhoirymbong?
Ngan. It ends in N.
M.
Yeah.
Ngan.
Yeah. Ngan. Ngan pa?
Nang pa Bhoirymbong.
Bhoirymbong.
Oh.
Yes.
Toh. Kumlay Sibun.
Boleh.
Kumlay Sibun. Kahaposti. Yes.
I'm Muslim.
Umsning only. Oh.
Danny, my name.
My name is Aki. Nice to meet you. Thank you, Mo.
Thank you.
Bye. All right, nice gentlemen. Unfortunately, it has started to rain here a little bit. Maybe truck. Is it that one? Oi, ba. Hello. Shano, where you go? Shillong. You go like because I gonna go lake, that lake, Umling Lake. I go to Umling Lake. Can I come? Okay, thank you. Oh, second time for me in the truck. More. Like that. Nice to see you. Nice to meet you. Thank you for taking me on this truck. This is my second time. Oh. Oh yes. Yeah, this was Pinursla. Pinursla. Oh yeah, this was the latest one. This one I posted yesterday. Yeah, yesterday this one. Yeah. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you. You have nice truck. It has been a long time that I have sing this song. Bolbaring o kakaliding, kakali tip top, kakali kabasting. Ngate menrai renga ba ay kamay kayanga. Kabule bareto ne maiba ay bala. Ay bolbaring o kakaliding, kakali tip top, kakali kabasting. Ngate menrai renga ba ay kamay kayanga. Kabule parekan ikleti pa ay bala. Bol maring kakaliding. Bol maring kakaliding. Thamasin chang leo nu thai chi maraba. Boy, probably first time that I hear metal in Kasiland. In Finland we have so many metal bands. If you didn't know, now you know. Hello. Yeah.
Where is this Bhoirymbong?
Here.
Oh.
Ah,
You came in a truck.
yes, I came with the truck only.
Let's go in the car.
Yes, let's go. Let's go. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. No.
You are the weirdest guy ever, man.
Ah. What?
You are the weirdest guy ever, man. Like you came in a truck, literally in a truck.
Yes, I came literally with the truck only.
Hey,
Oi.
come on.
Thank you, Mo. Okay. Kom nu. Gärna. Kom play, Mo. Kom play. From where?
From
Hoi only.
Maubri.
Maubri. Oh, okay. Hello, guys. Kom nu. Biang. Mo. Biang. From where?
Umroy.
Shano, Umroy.
Here,
Okay,
from where?
Okay, I go Bhoirymbong. Mo.
Bhoirymbong.
Oh, market. Sayo.
Sayo.
Okay, to. Bye.
This place is very good for truck park.
Oh, yes, have a lot of space. Bhoirymbong market, is it like a famous market or what?
Yeah, because like this side, the main market is this one only,
Okay.
and it's famous because like from Assam also people are coming here, na, because
Oh, yes,
it's
Assam.
very close to Karbi Anglong.
Oh, let's go check it out.
This
Come
is
now.
my aunt actually.
Biang Mo. Hello. Come now. Biang. Okay. Come now. Biang. From where?
Sinong Bi?
Umden. Okay.
One lang na.
Market.
Market.
To.
1, 2.
Light mo. Okay.
Now we'll go to the main market.
Main market na. Welcome to Bhoirymbong. It has been quite a while that I have been here last time, but we are back. We have reached. Nice.
Of the executive member of
I'm a big fan.
Hello.
I always watch your video.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Of course. Good play.
This is my uncle.
Hello.
Disha.
Oh, Shaya.
Disha.
Oh, okay. Top. Lie.
Yeah,
Thank
Disha
you.
le.
Good play.
They're offering you tea.
Okay. Let's have a tea. Let's have a quick tea.
Uam.
Hello. We had last time here also the
Yeah.
some tea or something. Mo.
Yeah. Asha do.
Good play.
Market.
Good play. Okay.
Yeah,
Shayu. Thank you very much, Mo. Yes, breakfast is done. Now we are heading for Shayu.
Yeah.
Last time I were here, maybe 6 months back or even 7 months back.
I think it's way before that, man. We have to check
Wait a
that
second.
video.
No, it's like 6 months back. You plant a lot of ginger here in Bhoirymbong or?
Yes, like when it comes to ginger, this is like a ginger capital of India, not only of Meghalaya.
Like that? Hello, come now. Biang.
Like there's no bigger ginger market than this one.
Ah,
Yeah.
like that?
Yeah.
Ginger. Like that. So this is how it is. How people storage here. No doubt, a lot of ginger here. Biggest ginger market, right?
Yeah.
Something like that. Busy in Bhoirymbong. Up more. Okay, like that. Oi, come no. Biang. From where? Bhoirymbong. Bhoirymbong is good.
Yeah,
Good place. What is good in Bhoirymbong?
Kaya ba best Bhoirymbong?
Anything good.
Anything good?
Yes.
Everything is good.
Everything is good.
Oh.
Nong po?
Nompo, good.
Good.
Very good. Kasi.
I will YouTube.
You have seen in YouTube. Oh, did you like?
Yes. You like YouTube.
Oh.
I like your YouTube.
Thank you. Thank you. Good place you will. Ma. You are selling what? Furnitures also you sell, na?
Yes.
Okay, I will go the market.
Go.
Have you already went to market? Ladep market.
Where your auto?
Auto Guwahati.
Guwahati.
Modify.
Oh, modify.
Oh.
Yeah.
Very beautiful auto.
Yeah.
You watch in YouTube. I will post today.
Oh,
Hello.
okay.
How are you?
He's a drunk man.
Wow. You like corn?
Hey, call.
Corn. You feel hot or what? Shit mo.
Shit mo.
To.
Get sneak the lingo isa.
Toto. Klein. Bye, thank you. Kublesibun mo. Appreciate it. Kublesibun mo. Okay, Toto. Okay, bye, brother. Bye. Bye, mo. Bye. Hello, how are you? Good. Hello. Smiling. Okay, fine.
This is the guy who managed the parking.
Oh, managing the parking. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you for the parking place. Hello, student. Let me ask you something. Don't run away now. Hello, brother. How are you?
I'm fine.
You're fine. From which school?
Minken.
Huh?
Minken.
Minken. Where is Minken? Where is the Minken school? That side. No?
They actually went to France this year only. They beat one team in France, so they're playing football.
Ronaldo or Messi?
Ronaldo.
Shoo! Okay, mo. Bye now. Hello. Kumno? Biangi. What do you sell? You sell painting. Painting mo. Painting. Color. You can color my auto. My auto you can color.
Not here.
Not here. Yes. Okay. Oh, it's like a iron shop like that, no?
Yes.
Sell nails and like that, no? Okay. What is your name? Banker Pasi. Actually, we have in Finland we have Pasi name also. It's like a man's name, Pasi. Like that.
Pasi is a name in this name.
Yeah, Pasi. We have Pasi is a typical Finnish name actually. Little bit old one. Hey bro. Hello. How are you?
Hello.
Fine. Fine. Where you go? You drive a auto. Where you go? Oh, like that. How long is the drive? Cut no tempo.
Indonesia
Kasan.
15 minutes.
15 minutes only. Short. Okay, mo. Okay. Bye. This is
remember,
okay.
my mom used to have she had a shop here, but now I put this one.
Let's go check it out. You introduce your shop for me, Mr. Amuni.
This is the manager.
Manager.
Yeah, my I was his best man in his wedding.
Like that.
Yeah.
Hello. How are you? Good. So
yeah,
you introduce your shop now.
Yeah, anyone in Eastern Rivoy, if they want to repair their mobile phones, they can come here.
Okay, so here is phone repairing.
Yeah, those example, if those this is just the part of that shop. The main shop is in Shillong.
Okay,
It's in KJP Senat Complex.
Okay.
So these mobile repairing shop here, if they need some equipment also, we sell it to them.
Right.
And when we repair phones here, it's cheaper than those people. You know?
Okay, so you
Because
give
they
a
have
good
own
price.
stuff. Yeah.
Okay. What if people say AB family and they come your shop? Do they get any discount?
Yeah,
Discount.
30% discount.
30.
Yeah.
You just heard. So if you need,
30% discount.
wow, if you need repairing, you know, Bhoirymbong. This is Bhoirymbong, right? You say just AB family, 30% off. Wow, what a deal! What a deal! Thank you for introducing your shop. Ma.
My grandma.
Oh,
This is
grandmother.
our shop.
Oh, good play, mo.
Yeah, this is the kind of like the oldest pharmacy when it comes to Eastern Rivoy.
Oh, oldest na.
Yeah.
Slash like that.
Shillong.
How you say slash?
Shillong. Shillong.
Slash. Like that. Shillong. Okay, so if you need a shillong, snong, you can have your car here, Bolero here now.
This is a doctor.
Doctor.
My
Hello,
grandfather.
doctor. Hello. Kublai mo.
That's my grandmother's sister.
Oh, hello. Kublai. Shano.
From which country?
I'm from Finland.
Finland.
Yes,
Oh,
Finland.
Finnish.
Yes.
I saw you in YouTube.
You have seen?
Your missus is casino.
Yes, my Mrs. Kasi. Okay, bye now.
best, yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Wait, ma.
God bless you. God bless you more. I think the cow is not talking anymore. Was moving before, but bam John. Oi, come now. Biang. Okay, Toto. You drive an auto? Auto driver?
No, not me.
Not me. You? Oh, you like drive auto? Which one is your auto?
Not auto.
Which
That
one?
one.
Which one? This one? Good. Nice. From hello. From which year? Which year? Kasus name. Snap.
10 years maybe.
10 years. Oh. 10 years and still running. That's the power of Bajaj. Bajaj, ne? Bajaj. Power of Bajaj only. Come no. Biang ma. You drive auto also? You like drive auto? Auto biang. Oh, also biang. I drive biang more.
I'm not flying.
Climb. Very climb. Okay, more. Okay. Very climb. Where these cars are going?
These cars are going to Nong Trau, Nong Thamai, Kerdem, Kleu. There are a lot of villages that side.
Oh.
There are auto stands that side also. It goes to Unket and a lot of villages near Assam also.
Oh, like that?
Yeah.
Oh.
School students, you can ask them questions.
Hello. How are you? Which school? Minken. You from? Aha.
Remember that guy we met?
Meghalaya people, they speak English only. Children also. In your school was Minken school. Shout out Minken school. Thank you very much. Ma. Yes. All right.
It's actually
Hello. Kublai mo. Kublai. It's a slap.
We'll get inside. We'll get inside
Talk
first.
more.
Because it's raining, we'll go
Yes,
inside.
yes.
This is actually a market inside also.
Market inside also here. Okay, let's go. It's slap here, and looks actually it's gonna be so much slap.
Traditional tobacco.
Oh yeah, this is hello guys, hello. Actually in Nongstoin, you can see the video. Nongstoin, I got this Duma. We call Duma, right? Duma Klein, right?
Duma.
So I was cutting it in a traditional way. Oh, nice, very nice. Even I don't smoke. Don't smoke.
Smoking is injurious to health.
Yes. Okay, bye. Who is watching my video every time? You?
Yeah, me.
Oh, do you like?
Yes, I like.
Thank you very much.
They are
Appreciate it.
sisters, man. This one.
Ah,
and
sister. Oh, you are selling clothes here.
Yeah. My mother.
Your mother.
Yeah.
Oh, Kublai. Kublai Mei. Pila de pamja. La de. Kaya pampi.
Only rice.
Rice is good. If there is no rice in food, there is no food. Very simple as that. Kublai. Handshake mo. Kublai. You stay in Bhoirymbong only. Mau Yampe. Where is Mau Yampe?
Meramel. That side.
Meirameu.
Yeah,
Maumdor.
Ah, Meiramei. There is the
Kasi
restaurant,
food.
Kasi
Yeah.
food there.
Yeah.
Oh, that village.
Yeah.
Oh, that village is good. Biang village. Okay. Thank you, ma.
Where do you stay?
I stay in Nompo.
Nongpo.
Nompo is also good.
Good na?
Yeah, Bhoirymbong also good. Good. Biang.
Yeah.
Kublai mo.
Kublai medium.
Where?
Medium.
Meidiang.
Yeah, medium. Oh, hello, medium. Say.
Meidiang se.
Medium.
Hello, Meidiang se. Tot.
Kublai medium.
Meidiang.
Like me, a huge Arsenal fan.
Arsenal fan.
Yeah.
Oh.
He's my nephew.
Yeah. Okay.
He's a very good barber.
Good barber. Ronaldo or Messi? Messi or Ronaldo? Ma?
This guy only like Arsenal players.
First time I don't get answer in Ronaldo or Messi. Usually, actually, I could say 95% of people say Ronaldo, but he's a true fan of
Arsenal.
Arsenal. Hello, kuplay mo, kuplay na, kuplay.
This
Hello.
guy acted in one of my music videos.
Oh, like that.
How do you
Kuplay. All good. Shano, where you go?
I'm butcher.
Ah, butcher. Which one you kill?
Cow.
Cow. Good.
Come on, show.
Later. Na. Okay, we're gonna enter here in the. Hello. Kumno. Biang. Oh. Ah, Biang. Welcome to. Hey. Music is there. We check it out here first.
This is my aunt.
Jadi pada kemudian kau.
Kuplay.
This is my father's sister.
Kuplay.
Anak ye.
Kumno. Biang. Ah, kali. Support. Always support. Local. Original. Tumtap also. Yes. Ah, Ari. Tumtap. Aha. Yes.
Ini dia terjual.
The last time you came to Joy.
Sora. Sora. Coba ladep na. Ladep.
I want to be.
Like now you're coming.
Hoi. Ma. How you say in Panar? How you say how are you? Or is it the same?
Come no long way.
Kang lo long pi. Kam no long pi.
Say that. Chai Pinong.
Chai pinong.
Hey,
Oi kong, chai pinong. Chai hi. Oh, chai pinong.
he's asking me one chai. What about you? Are you okay?
Ah, biang. Oh, toto. Mo. Hello. Chai pi. Chai. This is the market side. Hello. Chai pi.
Chai.
Chai tea na. Chai tea. Chai. Oh.
They said they saw you in the mobile phone.
Oh. Kublai. Now you will see also yourself in there.
Oh, sini EPL chong bro mobile mta.
Mo.
She said like definitely put her in the video.
Yes. Okay, mo. Ladep pam. Ladep. Okay, to. Biang no. Bye. Shano hane.
Honey.
Shh. No. To. Ma. Oh, like a P, like you.
Yeah.
P.
Yeah.
You.
Biang he. If you say you are okay, like
Biang
biang
he.
he. P biang means like P means you.
P.
You,
P.
Okay.
Oh, and me.
Me is nga.
Nga. Okay. P. Nga. Okay. Kublai mo? P. Nga. P. Nga. Okay. Kasi people like to eat dry fish only. Could say like that. Kasi people like to eat dry fish, na?
This grandma used to like me and her. I used to call her Doblang. She used to call me Doblang.
Doblang. What is Doblang?
We call this kutung bombe, kutung senrang, kutung bombe.
Tung tobe.
Bombay, like Mumbai.
Bombay.
The old name of Mumbai is Bombay.
Bombay.
Yeah.
Tung.
Back then it was transferred from there to other places. Nah. That's why we call it kutung bombe.
Tung Bombay. Wow.
Oh, kutung senrang.
Tung Singrang. Singrang is like a
Boy.
like a boy. Singrang also.
Shin, not shin. Shin. Yeah. Shin. Like chin. Like shin.
Shin. Okay.
Doblang mah.
Oh.
Bye. Love you Doblang.
Hello, Kublai. Biang. Biang he only. Klein. Mo. Oh, hello.
Pareng is here.
Yes. Kublai. Oh, Kublai me. Kublai mo.
Yolo kanong po.
Kublay mo.
Yang tekan wan syangka sana ya.
Kublay mo.
Nak kasih.
Malumala. She said you know kasi.
Malomama. Malomala.
Malumala.
Malomala kasi.
Malumala kasih.
Oh, to. Hoy.
Sa nong po.
Sa nompo eh. Oh.
Lok nong po.
Lok nompo. Hoy.
Nang nawang hang ni.
How many years you have been here in Meghalaya?
We are Arslan. Arslan.
You have a baby.
Yes, Kinte.
Tay. Kan lu la don.
How many
We
months?
are Lai Sao San
New.
Set. New.
Nyo benar.
New Panay.
Hinai.
Where's your country?
Finland se. Finland se. Very far.
Chaching iba. Finland.
Chachini ba Finland. Now you will see also yourself in YouTube.
Mata sa EP sa Elchong YouTube na ring nila. She's laughing when you said that.
Kublai. Kumne. Biang ne. Piangi. Oh, to mo.
This is my
Here we
uncle's
are.
shop.
Your uncle shop. Oh, what is here? Chana or what?
Chana,
Oh,
chow,
chow. Chana also.
momo ba? Era. Momo is not there. It will come afterwards.
Oh, okay.
He said like when he heard your voice, he knew that I was there with you.
Oh, okay. Okay, mo. Oh, to. Okay, let's move.
Big one.
Big. Oh, yo, nee, look at that one. Why, mo? Biang. Eh. Hello. Kublai. Kumno. Biang. Oh. Hello. Nompo. Kublai mo. Oi, con kublai. Kublai mo. Oh, chicken. Dos niang.
Siap.
Oh. Dos niang, dos siar. Oh. Hello, con kublai. Kublai. Hello, kublai mo. Kublai. Hello. Kublai. Hello. Kumno. Wow, hello boss. Kublai.
Kublai om tas ya.
How are you?
Chat yang. I'm fine. Om tas ya. He's shy to talk.
This is the longest handshake what I have had for a long time. Hello, what is your name? Wow, you have long and beautiful name. My name is Aki. Nice to meet you.
Like ne, chat yang.
Chathi. Chai. Kublai
This is
mo.
cousin sister.
Oh, where you were?
I was in Kerala.
Kerala. How is Kerala?
Food and like the people, the culture.
Oh.
I like everything in Kerala. Like it's similar to Meghalaya. I feel.
Oh, similar to Meghalaya. Okay.
Even the weather.
The language?
Language
Totally.
is very hard to learn. Like it's Malayalam and it's very tricky to learn.
Oh, what is it?
It's Malayalam.
Mariam.
Malayalam.
Malayalam.
Maria Mama. Maria Mama. They speak in Kerala, Maria Mama.
Malayalam.
Come here.
Where you
Oi.
married?
Up, shop.
He said I won't wait. Come now. I need to see you.
Yes, Sindur. Oh.
1, 2.
Pamja. Ladep. Oh, what do you have? Veggie. Oh.
Brinjal. This brinjal.
Brinjal.
Yeah.
Biang brinjal. Ah.
It's okay.
Is
Very nice brinjal.
it's okay. It's very nice.
It's full, only one.
Only one.
Yeah.
What else you have?
Ah.
What else you have? Toasty. 30 you have. Oh, but what else veggies you have?
Half.
What else veggies you have?
Wait, I will.
Work before conversation. And two You. P. Nga. Warpasau. Sano warpasau. Airport.
Nongpo from Nongpo side only this guy also.
Nompo.
Erpokon.
Arpokon. Okay, Toto. Biang mo.
Yeah, biang.
Okay, Toto, bye na. Bye. Kublay mo. Kum no. Klein. Okay, Toto. Mo. Hi. Hello. Before I used to say Shondur, but then I get to know that it is Sindur only, right?
Shondur. Sindur is that one.
Is that one? Shondur. Sondur. Yeah. Okay, Shondur.
Clear.
Okay. Hello, Kublai. How are you?
I'm fine.
All good? Where you go? Dukan? Okay.
Bye.
God bless you, Ma. Tata. Ma. Okay.
There's a small shop there.
Small shop.
We'll eat tumtapan.
Tumtap.
Yeah, and potato.
Oh, like that. Let's have it. Kublai. Ma. Kublai. From where? Kong.
From where?
Umtki.
Umroy.
Umroy. Oh, to. Ma.
You know?
Yes,
you understand?
Oh.
Oh, yes.
Yes. Okay, Ma. Bye. Local tumtap with the potatoes. I have never eaten before, so let's check it out how it is.
Ano po?
Oi, kom nou. Kijk, kleine. Oh, ja.
Trok on ne. Lisau ngap dodo.
Trok ya?
Katrok bawan ti te bat tu te chong trok te wan sini. Ngataba sunda on ni.
Pau ne ngat kwa me pau.
Ni pau re, ringil chong tu. We need salt.
Batai sme ong ba long.
But nowadays I like tumtap.
Really?
Yeah, I have started to like tumtap.
Turumbai.
Tunrumbai, we are still a little bit. We are not good friends with Turumbai. Not so good friends, but tumtap is good. Before I didn't like, but now I can like. All right. So this is also kasi thing, Mo.
Yeah.
It's like this, no? Intestine, and then how you call this one?
Here we call it sarau.
Sarau. Pusarau.
But in Khasi language we call putharo.
Putaro. Mo. Wow. No? Yeah.
Biang.
No.
Okay.
Nice one. Nice food.
Oduma.
Okay, thank you very much for the food. It was very tasty, Ma.
Okay.
Problema.
Welcome.
Okay, bye now. Bye. Wow, tasty tumtap with potatoes, and then there was some putaro, and then like an intestine, kidney, something like that. Very tasty. Thank you very much for watching this episode. We will see you in the next one. When, where, what, only God knows, but till then, stay tuned. God bless you all. Peace.